How to share WhatsApp status to Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option updates. Once you're on this page, you'll find the option add status. Click on it. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture or the video that you want to upload in your WhatsApp status. Now from this page, you are able to make changes to your picture or the video. You can add music, draw, crop it, zoom it, or you can add some text. Also, you can add caption, and once you are done, you can share it. Once you have uploaded your WhatsApp status, now how to share it to Instagram. For that, all you have to do is click on these three dots. Now, different options will appear. Select the option Instagram. Now, select the option story. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now, from here as well, you can make changes to your story. Once we're done, click on your story and the WhatsApp status will be uploaded in your Instagram story. So this way you can easily share WhatsApp status to Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.